Hello there guys, so I'm going to show you that Foldabots or book 5, Foldabots toy book 5, cardboard paper fold, and like a robot that can change into a animals, constructions, and other stuff. So we can show you that I have make my own Foldabots toy in book 5. It's this. You see? This is Sorotron. No. Sorotron. See? Okay. Sorotron. This is Sorotron. This is Sorotron. And this is Sabit. And Diadron Team 1 and Team 2. And only Diadrons. And this is for K-Zone. And Sergit is now totally rigged out. Clash of Titans, Sorotron, and Yellowtron. You can see here. Flip for the Yellowtron's cover. Okay, let's flip it. You see, this is Yellowtron. No. Yellowtron. This Sorotron, Diadron, and Zeus. And this is Pangil. Because I am a Filipino, but because I am speaking English. So this is like in a K-Zone. This is you can build 16 robots and 4 combiners, and it is only as 195 pesos in Philippines, as in K-Zone. Okay, so let's now see my work. No, this is Kalasag. You see? Kalasag. Okay, I'm now speaking Filipino. Okay, ito ay Kalasag. Nakikita siya dito. Okay? See? This is Kalasag. Ito si Kalasag. Nakikita siyang si Turtle. And this is Inang Torino, Jorans, lakas, bilis, at malakas na atake. See? And now, so this is what he see. Now, si Sagip. See? You can see, and he is an ambulance. See? An ambulance. An ambulance. And see his back? With many tools. I am so rigged out with this Sagip. This is Sagip. Sagip. Ito ang kanyang lakas. At magiging ganito siya. Diba? At ang isa na si wait a minute. Wait a second. Okay. This is Yellowtron. See? So nice body. Pangil. Sisid. Umbok. and si Kalimot. Yan. Pinagsala natin sila. O, diba? Yellowtron. I only make this in 2 days. I am impressed for myself. And you too. Diba? And now, today I've drawn Team 1. Barena and Karga, I only make this. See? Okay, and the team 2 will be impressed. Okay! Astig ko na. This is Dragon Head. See? Let's make them. See? It's real. Bata! Okay. And now it's done, my friends. And you subscribe on this button. And now, thank you. Thank you for watching. And for my Foldabots, and I'm a Filipino, don't forget that I'm being speaking English. Okay. Bye-bye. Subscribe.